Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll create the customizations associated with our application. We'll create a business rule which will automatically set the released field to true if the release date is before today on new game records. We'll create a UI action which will automatically add the current user to the reviewer field in the review form. And finally, we'll create two UI policies to make the number and status fields read-only and make stars and comments read-only once the review has been approved. We'll start by creating the business rule. We'll navigate to the video game table and click Configure Business Rules. We'll create a new business rule and provide a name. Next, we'll set the when to run filter. We'll select release date at or before today. Then under the Actions tab, we'll set the released to true and submit our business rule. Now let's test this business rule. We'll create a new game record and provide a date before today. When we save the record and navigate back into it, we see the released checkbox is checked. Next, we'll create a UI policy on the reviews table to make the number and status fields read-only. Now we'll verify the UI policy. Next, we'll create a UI action. I'll provide a few quick lines of JavaScript. We'd like to only show this on insert and we'll make it a form button and submit the UI action. Now let's quickly test this UI action. As you can see, when the button is clicked, System Administrator is added to the Reviewer field. Finally, we'll create a UI policy which sets the stars and comments field to read only if the status is approved. Now we'll verify everything is working properly.